Hello students, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine in home. Okay, so today's we are going to continue the class, that is we are going to continue that chapter, that is chapter 3, that is playing with numbers. So last class we have studied about factors and multiples and some facts about them and about perfect numbers. Okay, so today we are going to study about prime and composite numbers. Okay, next we are studying about the odd numbers and even numbers. So let's see prime and composite numbers. So you are knowing here it is written factor of 2, factor of 3, factor of 5, factor of 7, factor of 11. Let's find out. Factor of 2 is what? 1, 2. Factor of 3 is 1, 3. Factor of 5 is 1, 5. Factor of 7 is 1, 7. Factor of 11 is 1, 11. So here you will look at how many factors are there. For 2, 2 factors. For 3 also 2 factors. For 5 also 2 factors. For 7 also 2 factors. For 11 also 2 factors. And look at here. Factors are what? 1 and the number itself. Here also 1 and the number itself. Here are 1 and 5. 1 and 7 the number itself. 1 and 11 the number itself. Means 1 also same number tankro factor. Okay. Here for 3 ପାଇଁ ବି 1 and the same number. Say same number 3 hochi taro factor. So what are those? What these patterns showing? This is showing that some numbers are there whose factors are 1 and the number itself. किछि number अछंत जहारो factors की 1 आउ से निजे itself means say same number. So look at here. So what these numbers are called? The number which has only 2 factors. Okay, only 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself is called prime number. So all these number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, you can go 13 also. For 13 also 1 and 13. Like that you can find the prime number. So prime number has factor 1 and itself means it has only 2 factors. So this is about prime numbers. Next look. Factor of 4 is what? 1, 2, 4. Factor of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor of 9, 1, 3 and 9. Factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So look at here. Here factor of 4, factor of 6, factor of 9, factor of 12. These have more than 2 factors. All these numbers have more than 2 factors. Okay, it has more than 2 factors. Look, so what these numbers are called? The number which has more than 2 factors is called composite number. So numbers which has more than 2 factors is called composite number. So all these number 4, 6, 9, 12 are what? Composite numbers. So the prime numbers have only 2 factors. The number and itself, composite number, have more than 2 factors. Okay. One is neither prime nor a composite number. Why? Because 1 has only factor 1. The factor of 1 is 1. So it has only 1 factor. It has not 2 factor. That's why it is not a prime number. It has not more than 2 factor. That's why it is not a composite number. That's why 1 ro kono? 1 ro factor hochi khali 1. That's why yaro only gote hi factor achi, 1 factor achi. That's why it is neither a prime, eta prime nuho ki composite nuho. Okay, so prime 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, there is a way to find out or to check which one is composite or which one is a prime number. Okay, so without actually checking the factors, for everything we cannot check the factors. सब number पे तुम factor check करी परिबो कि जेते जदि बड़ा number दिया हिथिबो ताले factor check करिया पे means you have to find difficulty for finding factor. So without checking factor check करिए बिना तमे कोन पारे, we can find the prime numbers. So there is a method we can find the prime numbers from 1 to 100 with an easier method. This method is known as, was given by Greek mathematician. Greek mathematician name is Eratosthenes. Okay, Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician who in the 3rd century BC. Okay, can anybody tell me what is 3rd century? Which year will come on 3rd century BC? Okay, then this method is called as sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, because here sieve means what? तमे देखिछो जोटा कि चालुणी कहउछो, जेमिति चा छाड़िया पे तमर थाए नहले कोन कहंती तमे जो कोन कहंती चालुणी रे कोन करो जो अटा छाणो like that से चालुणी को कोन कहै जे sieve. So sieve of Eratosthenes is from this sieve. एठी कोन माने बाछुचंती आमे कोन बाछु नहले ताको छाणु त आमे जेमति चा छाणला बेले हमर कोन रहि जे चा पत्ती ऊपर रहि जे आउ चाटा छाणी हे की कप रे आसे. like that एठी Eratosthenes कोन छाणुचंती एठी छाणुचंती prime number. Okay, so he is separating prime number from the composite number. Okay, in his method, that is sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, so here we'll see how he is separating, how we can separate or how we can find out the prime numbers and composite numbers by the help of the method. That method is known as sieve of Eratosthenes. Let's see. So here numbers are given from 1 to 100. Okay, 1 to 100 numbers are given, and let's find out with the help of the method sieve of Eratosthenes the prime number and composite number. So we are knowing that 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. That's why what we will do, we will cross out 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next, 2 is what? 2. Next, encircle 2. Okay, why we will encircle 2? Encircle 2 and cross out all the multiples of 2 other than 2 itself. Okay, so cross out multiples of 2. 2 रो multiple को cross करिवो आउ 2 को cross करिवनी. Okay, so multiple of 2, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20, 2 into 11 22, 2 into 12 24, 2 into like that. These are the multiples of 2. Then 32 is also multiple of 2, 34, 36, 38, 40. Then 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Then 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Then 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. Then 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Then 82, 84, 85, sorry, not 85, 86, 88, 90. Sorry. Then 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. So these are the multiples of 2. Next what we will do? The next uncrossed means next, here you will find out the next uncrossed number is 3. So circle out 3. Next uncrossed number कौन 3. तो ताकू एन सर्कल रे रखिबो. ओके, एन सर्कल मींस ताकू सर्कल भीतर रखिबो. Next we'll find out the multiples of 9 and cross the multiples of 9. 9 रो multiple को cross करिबो. Sorry. Then you cross out multiples of 3. 3 रो multiple को cross करिबो. So 3 3 जा 9. Here already 12 is crossed. 3 5 ja 15. Then 3 9 ja 27. 3 11 ja here. Okay, 3 7 ja 21. Okay. Then 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. This one. Okay. Then 15 3 ja 45. Okay. Then 51. Okay. Then you see 63, then 69, then 75 because 25 into 3 75, then 93, then 99. Okay, so these are the multiples of 3. Next you see which one is not crossed. Next number which is not crossed. Next number देखो जोटा cross है नहीं. What is that one? 5. So encircle 5. 5 कौन करिबो? Encircle करिबो. Okay. Next find out the multiples of 5. Already it is done. 25, 30, 35, 40. 45, 50, count down, 55, 60, then 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. So next number is what? Next is your 7. Okay. So let's find out the multiples of 7. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, already done, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, already done, 7 7 ja 49, already done. Then 7 8 ja 56, already done, 7 9 ja 63, already done. Then 7 10 ja 70 done. Then 7 11 ja 77. 7 into 11 77. 7 into 12 84. Done. Then 7 into 13 how much? 91. Done. Then 7 into 14 98, already done. Okay. So 7 done. Next uncrossed number is 11. Encircle the number 11. Next find out 11, 11 2 ja 22, 11 3 ja 33, 11 4 ja 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Already done. Next uncrossed number is 13. So find out. So like that we have find out we have encircled the numbers and which have not, for which we have not got multiples, and for which we have not got that which are not multiplied by others, and we have crossed the numbers. So here you will see whatever we have crossed except one. Okay, we'll circle this one and except one because one is neither prime nor composite. Except one, all the numbers which are circled like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are what? Prime numbers. And which number are crossed? Okay, except one, which number are crossed? Those numbers are what? Composite numbers. Like that we can find out, by this method we can find out prime numbers and composite numbers from 1 to 100. So this is about prime and composite number. Next we'll see even and odd numbers. So what are even and odd numbers? Let's see. Multiples of 2 are what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, like this. It will go on. So 2 and its all multiples are even number. So 2 along with all the numbers, all the multiples of 2 means सबू 2 and ଯେତିକି 2 ର multiples ଅଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ କଣ ହେବେ 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 like this. All these are even numbers. Then if there is given one big number like 350, 56, 732, 7 lakh, it is given how much? 7,37,518. So let's see, is this number of even numbers? How we can find out? If the numbers at one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number is an even number. जदि तमरो one's place रे कौन थिवो तमरो either 0 थिवो नोले 2 नोले 4 नोले 6 नोले 8 थिवो ताले ताको आमे कौन कहबा? We can say that a even number. Let's find out here. It is given 350. Look at one's place. What is there? 0. That's why it is even number. Here look at here. Here it is 56. One's place what you are finding? 6. That's why it is an even number. Here look. In one's place what is there? 2. That's why 2 is a even number. That's why this 732 is an even number. But look at here, 7,37,518. What is there at one's place? 8 is there. That's why 7,37,518 is a even number. So next we will see the numbers which are not even are odd numbers. Okay, so where you can not find one's place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. One's place is जदि 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 नथिबो ताहले सेटा कोन होबो? That is not even, that is odd number. If the numbers at one's place is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, जदि one's place रे 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then that number is odd number. Okay. So let's find out which one is odd number. So look at here, some numbers are given 351, 5,67,329, 4,355, okay, and 2,227. So let's, here in one's place you are finding 1. That's why that 351 is odd number. Next, here you will see in one's place what is 9. That's why it is odd number. Next, 5 is in one's place. That's why 4,355 is a odd number. 2,227. Here one's place what you are finding? 7. That's why it is an odd. 2,227 is an odd number. If I'll write 2220. So in one's place 0 is there. So it is what? Even number. So always look at one's place. What is there? If there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is even. If in one's place you will find one's place 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 or 9, that is odd number. Okay. So 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. 2 is a prime number. Okay, smallest prime number, that is what? Even. Every prime number except 2 is odd. Except 2, whatever other prime numbers are there, 2 को छाड़ी के जैसे prime number अच्छे सब जगह कौन होची? Odd. Okay. So 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is also even. Okay. So like that you can find out the even and odd number. So that is about today's class. So we have studied about prime and composite numbers and how to find out by that Eratosthenes method. Okay, the prime and composite number. Next we have studied about the odd number and even number and how we can identify the odd number and even number. Okay, so this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you all.